Alright, finally got this blower motor in and wheel for this rooftop unit from last week. So I'm going to go over here in the rain and do this blower motor and wheel because, you know what, ain't rain stopping nobody. And rain's actually really good for you. You get a bunch of negative ions. So think positive, everybody. Alright, let's do it. Alright, here we go. I put these in. Good job. Oh, fuck. Alright, hopefully we don't slip. This one. I'm silly. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the motor. Thanks for a nice frisbee though. Look at that. It's good shit. Just film like this. Figures the bracket's broken. I think I have a bracket on me though. I'm pretty sure. Alright. Get this little chonder off of here. This little chondo. Little chondy bondy. Chondos. Bondos. Where'd you get those crombos? I'm just gonna take it all the way the fuck out. That's what we're gonna do. And this will be fun. Alright. They see me rolling. They hitting. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Yeah. That thing's good. That's a good one. It's like a little fucking vase. It's all creepy out today and shit. Well, fuck you, broken bracket. Okay. Fuck you. But actually, I don't even need to get any of this off of here. All this is garbage. I was trying to get this off of here. I'm like, what am I doing? Idiot. This is all trash. Alright. Let me go see if I have a bracket.